Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos. My last video I posted like 3 years ago or something. But anyway, today I'll be reviewing my fidgets. And I don't have that much right now. But I went fidget hunting today. I went to Michael's and TJ Maxx. My friend said she found like 5 poppets there, but no, there's no fidgets there. So, give this video a like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on if you'd like, and it will, like, if you like fidgets and like to play with them. I'm gonna go biggest to least. So my biggest one is my jumbo poppet. It has 100 pops, and now it's time for some ASMR. But yeah, here's my jumbo poppet. Fun fact about me, I do not like ASMR, especially the ones that you eat. But, like, I don't really like the sound of the poppets. But I'm just gonna stick with it for now. So, I'm actually just gonna do all my poppets first. Or at least most of them. My second one is my regular sized square poppet. I'm not gonna do any more ASMR because I don't like it. I traded so much for this and it was a total scam because I never even got to feel it. Now one of my favorite poppets, pineapple. Now I have cactus. I actually traded this for a lot of stuff. I actually did like a poppet and ads for this. I thought it was going to be bigger, but nope. And then my tiny little heart tie-dye poppet. It's super cute, and it even has the tiny little pops. It's super, super cute. And like, you can't even hear it because it's so tiny. Okay, so those are all my poppets. Don't have a lot. I'm looking forward to more. Now, time for my dimples. First, I have my simple dimple. I know it's off-brand, but it's okay. My simple dimple and my dimple. Comment down below if you like what type of fidgets you like the best. Next, I have my pop tubes. First is my mini pop tube. It's so loud. By the way, guys, it's pretty late. Well, I should do a video at this time. I'm just excited to post a video because I haven't posted it in 3 years. 2 to 3 years or something. Now I'm going to do my homemade stress balls. They're actually not bad. First, I have 4 of these. And then I have homemade DNA ball. It actually has wet pom-poms in it. Feels weird. Water. It actually is like a really good stress ball though. And then I actually put BB gun bullets in here, but they don't explode. They're just metal balls. And then same as this one. This one has like a little bit of air in it though. And then this has shells in it. Yes. It's like crushed up shells. This one has Play-Doh and air in it. But yeah, those are all my homemade ones. And then I actually made pizza dough. It's just fun to squish in the bag. And then my slime. Oh, it's supposed to be strawberry jelly. I had a Nutella one, but I already traded it. I think it was for a water snake, but then I traded that for, I think, 2 pop tubes, but then I traded 1 pop. Wait, no. These 2 pop tubes. Okay. And then now it's just going to be like random things. But here's my pea popper. It's a cute little face on it, and these don't have any faces on it. And then a little tiny wacky track. I mean, I did have a big one, like really big, but then traded that for a couple things. And then I have like this squish thing that I don't like at all. And then this monkey noodle. It's mini. And then I have this mini snake. To be honest, I don't really like snakes. And then I have this ASMR bar. And it's like this. I don't really like the colors of it though, because I don't like orange and purple, especially together. So these are all my fidgets together. Whoa. If you can see them all. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, peace out.